5-ton power puller. Heavy-duty 5-ton come-along hand winch cable puller delivers serious pulling power for construction, home, farms, ranch, fences, and automotive use. Max horizontal load capacity of 10,000 pounds. Winch hook. Heavy-duty puller steel construction for added durability. Hooks and gears are zinc-plated for a long-lasting life in your garage or workshop when pulling, dragging, lifting, or stretching. Safety latch on all hooks to prevent accidents or slipping off. Ratcheting puller. Powerful ratcheting pulling system allows for one-handed operation when pulling or winching even the heaviest loads. Winch cable length is 6 mm thick and 3.6 meters or 12 feet long. Double gear. Double gear design locks on for evenly distributed force and easy to gauge notched pulling action for an easy, smooth, and consistent. Max vertical load capacity, also called weight capacity, of 2 tons or 4,000 pounds. Lever arm includes long industrial hand ratchet handle with PVC coated grip for leverage and 3 latching hooks for added safety and versatility when going off-road vehicle recovery, pulling fences, logs, stumps, or rocks. Top reviews from the United States. Pulled an 18,000 pounds motorhome. This product works so well and very easy to use. I was able to move a motorhome around a yard due to a bad transmission. I couldn't drive it. Thank you.